say hi to everybody? Say hi. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to do a handbag unboxing as well as tell you a very cool piece of gift with purchase that is coming up for Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. Actually, I will probably do a separate video a little bit closer to Black Friday with all the different sales that I'm interested in that I've talked about here. So if you're interested, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell, stay tuned. I will also be posting as many of these, things that pop up on my Instagram as well, because that one I can do a lot quicker at my Instagram, Clutch to Carry All. So if you're interested, definitely also follow me there. Today's handbag is from Maison de Sabre, and I have it in this box. And if you've been here before, you'll know that I've purchased several of their handbags over I think the last year or so. My first one being this one. This is their mini soft tote, which I got it in the special edition, the Hello Kitty, as you can see. Super cute bow. And this one actually comes with a strap. I also bought the little AirTag clip here. Super cute. This strap is much thicker than the leather ones. And yeah, the interior is red. Oh, I also have a Zumoni organizer here that I personalized, so they don't make it for this bag, but you can tell Zumoni exactly what size, what pockets, what addition, like zippers, flaps you want. I will link that below. You can also use my code angeleyn for 20% off of any organizers from Zumoni as well. But yes, this is the first bag that I ever got, and you can see that it's in super good condition and the leather's super soft but still sturdy. I have also other charms from them, like this one is a newer style, which is a little bit bigger than the one that you just saw, so it could hold more things than just an AirTag. But yeah, it is super cute just to like hang on your bags. And the most recent one that I have before the one I'm going to unbox right now is this one. This is the mini tote, so that one's a small tote. This was the mini one. I got it in like a really warm brown color. It looks beautiful. And yeah, I have not gotten too much use out of this one, but it is a very great grab and go. I also see it as a great travel bag. It does come with a very thin crossbody strap that you can remove as well. So yep, this one is another really well-made, sturdy handbag. I will unbox this one, and for full disclosure, this one, unlike all the other ones I just showed you, was sent to me, so I'm very happy to be checking this one out. Let's take a look at what it is, and then I can give you a little bit more information. Oh, so there's this special small box, which I will open in just a second, and the rest of the box is this big bag. So, oops. I did select this style. There were many, many styles to choose from. I'm actually eyeing the Palais. I don't know if you guys have seen that one before. This is not the Palais, but I am eyeing it. So let me just show you this one. Wow, big bag. Okay, to reveal the soft zipped tote. It is so well packaged, guys. Okay, so there is the tag like they usually have. This is a key ring that you can put keys on and then slip it like this, or you can put charms on it, anything you like. And let me just take off some of the packaging. Wow, it is so well packaged. So I left the bottom here so you can see it's white. It's just so that you can kind of see the contrast. There is a little key ring holder here, and you can see that there are pockets. So on this side there's a big zip pocket which can fit a good amount of stuff. So let me just show you with my phone. I have the Pixel 10. Can drop in there very, very easily. So if you have a bigger phone, they'll also fit there, no problem. And then on the other side, you will see that there are, again, hi Chester. Again, you can see that I left the little papers that came with it so you can kind of see it better. Otherwise it's just like black, so you can't see, but you can take these cards out, obviously. These are very thin slots, but you can see that there are two small pocket and then one bigger slip pocket, and this thing can be loose, so I can also remove this. It's kind of loose, so you can't remove it, but it does like come out like this. It's not sewn to the bag, which is kind of nice in a way because you don't get that like pull from the side of the outside of the bag. Other than that, this is a huge, like, just bucket. And with tote bags, that is kind of how you want it. You want to be able to throw everything in here. And if I held it empty, you can see that it still kind of holds its shape, but parts of it you can see kind of like bends a little bit because it is their soft tote. Why I chose this one is because I wanted something that was zippable. So for example, like this, I wanted something that was sturdy. So if I were to put my laptop in here, I don't have to worry about it falling out. So let me just show you. I have a MacBook 13, but you'll see that this will be just a drop in the bucket because there's so much space. You can fit up to a size 16 in here, so you can definitely put this in the case. You can put a size 16, you know, in here and it will fit, no problem. I do really like that because sometimes some tote bags are just a little too small for my laptop, and yeah, that's probably what I will need to carry. So the straps are very soft. They are on the thinner side, so you can kind of see that. Yeah, they're on the thinner side, so I'll have to wear this to see if it bothers me, but I think style-wise, look-wise, I think it looks great in this like more slender strap. There is a bit of a good gap underneath my, you know, I mean, and I'm not wearing a tight sweater, but if I had something more bulky like a coat, it would still fit under my arm, no problem. So yeah, I'll try to do some mod shots up here so you can kind of see what it looks like. I don't think I need to show you what fits because it could fit so much that it would just be, I'd put this whole closet in here and it'll still fit, you know? The fact that I could tell you if it's a 16-inch laptop should give you a good indication of what you can do with this bag. So I wanted to hold this closer because I wanted to show you the pebbled leather on this bag. You can see that it is a very fine. This is actually European full grain leather, and it's gone through their dry tan process, which helps them reduce waste and protect the environment. There are no feet at the bottom of the bag, but this leather also extends to the inside of the bag. So the lining here, if I could just flip a part of it out to show you, it's the rawhide, but it's been coated so that it's not the suede material that you would get on the underside of the leather, but it is leather. It's the same piece of leather. So it keeps the bag light, but it also keeps it leather and very luxurious. This bag approximately measures 14 inches across and 11 inches tall. And then the depth, which I guess it looks a little thinner here, but it's about 5 inches. The strap drop is about 10.25 inches. So again, yeah, very, very well designed. Everything here looks well stitched. The only logo that I could see is this like tiny like gold thing right here that says Maison de Sabre, same with like on this tag. I love totes, and I love that this one is made in Australia, designed in Australia. They have really good brands there, but also this brand in particular I've tried and I know that they're good. So I will link this bag below. This one's currently available in this color, which is I think like a black color, and then there's also like a nude color, but I have seen at some point like a brown color as well. So if I could find that, I will link it below. And yeah, I'll link actually they sell it at several locations. I'll try to link it all over the place depending on where you find it easiest to purchase from. I also want to hop back to this dust bag. It's a very lightweight material and it says Maison de Sabre, and I think it's like a silky satiny material on the inside, so it does keep your bag very nicely covered and protected. Before I get on to this item, I just wanted to pop really quick to tell you that in a couple of days, depending on when this video goes live, there is going to be a gift with purchase on a previous video, the previous video before this one, that I have unboxed, and it is from the brand Oleada, which is another really beautiful brand. And that one, if you purchase over $450 there, you do get a free easy book tote. I don't have the item itself, but I'll pop a picture up here. It is great. It's a $125 value. So if you were going to purchase something with my code anyway, which is angeleyn OL, between November 20th to December 2nd, which until they run out, you get a free tote there with $450 purchase. So definitely take advantage of that. My code angeleyn OL at Oleada already is live, 30% off your entire purchase. So 30% off regular price, but then for sale items, it can be up to 60% off. So definitely hop on over there if you haven't already. November 20th is when the gift with purchase would start, but they will probably sell out quite quickly. So definitely have your cards ready to go. I have this right here, and this is, I'm actually not sure. I did not select this, but so it was like a little gift. Let's see. Ooh, it's a little charm. So I love that their little charms come in these gift boxes because you can gift them out very nicely and they're already all packaged. And let's see what it is. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, this is adorable. Okay, let me remove all this. So I have a little keychain, key ring tag thing, but instead of the usual, so you can see that it has the key ring, it does come with keys, and these keys will, I guess, open this lock. So let me just try it. It does. Oh, how cool is that? You can hook this little lock, which I don't know if you can see, it does have the pebbled leather with Maison de Sabre on it. Beautiful. And so yeah, it's gold hardware. And what you do is you usually just keep it hooked right here. And I love that it has this like leather backing, because the leather backing prevents it from scratching your bag. And then you can keep your keys tucked in here into this clochette. And then when you want to lock something, you can go ahead and remove it and lock it, and then keep the clochette somewhere else. Let me demonstrate. So I already have one on this side. I'm going to put it on this side. Oh, how cool. Look at that. It does hang a little bit lower than the one that comes with the bag. Oh, this is such a cute charm. I don't have anything to lock here because this is only a one zipper top. Sometimes some bags have two zippers, so in which case you can lock it. But if you did have, let's say you're traveling, right? And you have this bag, you can keep this on you. And then let's say you weren't going to check your luggage, but then all of a sudden you need it to because it's overweight or whatever, and you don't have a lock, you can use this one in a pinch. This one's not, is it TSA? It's not. So that's the only issue, is that if you do check a bag and TSA needs to look in your bag and it's not TSA approved, they will cut this lock. But if you just wanted to keep something more secured and you know it's with you, it's not going through the airport security anyway, you can just take this out, lock it, and just have a peace of mind that no one can get into your luggage while you're traveling. So that is kind of nice. It doesn't happen to me very often, but sometimes when you are traveling, all of a sudden the plane is a little on the smaller side, they needed to gate check. Gate check, you basically give them your luggage and then they hand it back to you once you get to your location as you're getting off the plane. So it doesn't go through security at all. So that would be actually a really good time to use this, because you wouldn't have thought of bringing a lock, right? So yeah, this is cute. If not, this is a beautiful charm as well. Let me just show you the other charm that I was talking about. This is the orange one that I purchased previously. Let me see where I can put this. So there are so many things you could do. Look at how cute that is. Little orange. And you could put like coins in here. This one doesn't have a strap, but straps are a beautiful place to hang your charms as well. I will, like I said, link this below, as well as I will link this below. I think this one should still be available, and this one, as well as the other bags I mentioned here. I will also link the Oleada information below as well if you're interested. Again, I will try to do a separate video with all of the Black Friday sales that are coming up, so that should come out a little bit after this video. So if you have any recommendations of sales that you know are coming up, leave in the comments below and I'll try to add that to that video as well so we can share it with everybody. But thank you so much, Maison de Sabre, for sending me this, and Hannah for working with me on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. We'd love to hear if you have anything from Maison de Sabre that you also enjoy. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.